Today I'm on ThredUp doing a little bit of shopping. I'm interested to get a new Coach shoulder purse and wallet, and I found these, and I'm really interested to see what they're going to look like in person. They're really pretty on the screen, but you know, everything looks different in person compared to how it looks on a computer screen. We'll see. Okay, half of my order from ThredUp has come. This is the Coach purse, and it is gorgeous. Here's a little tag there. And I really love it. It is big, and it is shoulder purse size, and it's got a big cavernous inside. It's got a zipper pocket here, a couple of pockets here. Exactly the way I like it. Here is my tag inside. It's gorgeous, and really the camera here does not do it justice, I think, on the color. I don't know if you can tell, but it is a shimmery, sparkly kind of a design here, and it's got like a purplish, brownish, maroonish kind of a color, but it's very, very, very deep color. It's not brown, it's not maroon, and it's not entirely purple. I would say it's more in the purple spectrum. But yeah, it is a winner for sure. And it only cost me $88.99, $88.99 for basically a purse that would retail for over $300. So I'm waiting on the delivery of my wallet. That should be here in a few days, and then I'll record when I get that. Okay, I got my ThredUp Coach wallet, and let's open this up. And it is perfect. I love it. It looks fantastic. There's a little bit of a print mark there where it was pressed up against something in the box, but I do love it. Let me unzip it, and I'll show you how it looks inside. Okay, I'm really happy with it. I've got two large outer zipper pockets, one inner zipper pocket to hold change, room for cards, plenty of room for everything. One outer little pocket that's open like this on the side. So that was, it said retail for $225 on the website. I bought it for $57.99. So I am really pleased with that. I feel like it worked out to be a really good purchase, and it will go great with the purse, the Coach purse that I ordered and received earlier. Thank you again for dropping by and seeing this ThredUp Coach haul. It was a lot of fun. I've had a good time putting this together for you. I had to wait a few days in between, so it was kind of an exercise in patience from ordering to receiving the purse to receiving the wallet, but I am happy with everything, and I hope that it inspired you to do a little bit of searching around and seeing what bargains you might find. I do want to say, if you look on ThredUp and you don't find exactly what you're looking for, maybe the supply, we're having so many supply chain issues with the COVID situation hitting the general marketplace everywhere. If the supply is low on what you're looking for, go to coachoutlet.com. I did notice there are some good varieties of things there at very good prices. They're all authentic Coach products also. And you can see that the prices are very similar. In fact, I found a very similar style wallet, not in the same color, but very similar to what I bought today, or what I showed on screen today, what I had bought. It was within $5 of the price that I paid at ThredUp. So go and just look around and see what's available. There's always a little bit of a fun and thrill in the treasure hunt and finding, interesting little things. So things that, bring you a little bit of joy, and you get a bargain. So that's always fun. It feels successful. So just go see what's available. Thank you again for stopping by. I do appreciate all of my viewers, and I'm just really honored that you stopped by and that you're interested to hear what I have to say and see what I have to show. I appreciate you inviting me into your lives. I'm Beth, and that's how I'm doing it.